Hi, I'm Vivian Oliver-Hernandez. I am the Carl Wunschy Digital Literacy Coach. And in this tip of the week, I'm going to focus on one of my favorite people, Meredith Akers. She is a principal out in Cyber, but she also loves educational technology, and she has great ideas on how to use it for instructional purposes. And with all that being said, I am so excited to share with you the magnifying glass idea she has. So the Magnify Learning with this mystery reveal template idea is essentially taking a Google slide and having it reveal answers for your students. So here's a quick GIF of what that would look like. And as you can see, there's a magnifying glass that if a student were to drag and drop it over to another section of the Google slide, it would reveal the answer to the question. So this can be used in a touchscreen environment. Let's say your district has Promethean, Smartboard, something in the classroom where that could be a station rotation, where the students go ahead and work out the problem, and then when they're ready, they reveal the answer. That could be used. You can also use it as a full classroom tool if you want, but if you read the blurb in the instructions, it does talk about using it during playlists, station rotations, etc., to make your classroom a little bit more of a blended learning environment. Now, the number one question probably you're thinking now is, that's awesome, but how do I create it? So what Meredith does is she does share a little bit of information on how the magic works with the magnifying glass. Essentially what she's done is she's used layers as the trick in Google Slides to have the effects work, taking the color of the text and making it match the background, which I'll show you. She kind of breaks it down here, which you can read a little bit more about on how to do it. But if you're just like, I want my own copy, I don't really want all that information, then you can click to make a copy of the template and it will create the template just like this. In this template, you can go ahead and add your own question. And then if you're probably wondering, well, how do I put the answer? As I've said, the answer is just the same color as the background. If you move your magnifying glass over it and you just click here, you can change it to put your answer and then drag it back. But if you don't want to use the magnifying glass in that way to help you with the answer because it's just big or something like that, then if you double click over that general area and change it to a different color as you're putting in the answer, then you could do that. And then when you're ready, just click it again and make it the color of the background. You do need to know the background of your color to have that happen. Another tip is to ask your students to drag and drop the magnifying glass actually using the handle. If they try to use the glass part, it becomes a little bit more trickier, so they want to click on the handle part and drag from there, just like a real one. So once you understand that and you've read through it and you've created your own, you can go ahead and release it to your students in whatever manner you choose. The best thing is it can be used for different reasons, like revealing answers to math problems, as you saw in the example, vocabulary concepts, review important facts, uncover answers after completing reading comprehension with a small group, etc. If you're looking to create your own, you can go ahead and if you scroll down this post, you'll see more tips and tricks of how you can lock objects in Google Slides and how you can get a little bit more creative with this concept. What's wonderful about the Meredith Akers presentation in this template is there is a lot of engagement that helps you build off of that. So I really do think it is a powerful tool to use in your classroom. And I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. And yeah, please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.